how to replace mass airflow sensor on Mercedes 124. This is the model from '94. It has M111 engine inside, 2.2 liters, and mass airflow sensor is sitting on top of the engine. So in order to change it, it's very easy, few steps, and I want to show you how to do it. First of all, you would undo this connection. It's very easy. Just unscrew it, put it aside, and this is actually the sensor you want to replace. If you order it from dealer, you could get maybe complete a sensor with the box itself, but I see on the eBay or internet where are selling parts that you could order only the sensor itself. And if you bought it like this, let me show you how it would look like. So I have a replacement one here. So the sensor looks something like this. And if you got the part like that, so in order to replace it, you would need to undo these two bolts and just pull it out, see how it was before, and put the new in, and just put the bolts back, put the connection back, and that's it. But if you got the whole assembly like this, I want to show you how to do it right now. So you would need to unclip the air filter box. There are 4 clips for filter box itself, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Maybe you don't see it quite well, but it's a bit dark. And there are 2 clips that are connecting the air filter box to the sensor itself, and one you need Phillips screwdriver to undo this. Just to get loose, you don't need to do it fully. And now you can see just with one hand wiggle it out, this air filter box. This is the air filter. If you see here it's bad, you can think to replace it as well. This is the sensor itself, and then you wiggle this out and it will come out like this. Now you get the new one and just repeat the steps. Here, from wear and tear, it should supposed to have some plastic, and then you could put it on that marks and it will fit together. You cannot miss that. This one is very bad because it's aftermarket. You don't see any marking here, so I don't know, probably because of that it's bad. It should supposed to have something like this. But if you did not find a new one to buy and you are looking to change it and buy it as a used part, let me show you a few things. This engine is similar to this 90s Mercedes. C-Class has it and COK has it, and this is actually the COK. And let me show you the differences. The box itself is the same, but connection is different. So if you are ordering the same part, used part, be careful. You need to really think about this connection in order to work. You see, engines are looking the same. And this one actually is from W120, and if you compare it, the diameters are different. And this one will actually not fit. So even though somebody is telling you this will work, it will probably not. You will not be able to fit this inside. So be careful about it. And like I said, if you order it only this part, then it would be just very easy, 2 bolts to undo and then put them together. In order to undo the bolts, not sure if I already mentioned, you need T20 key for this, and they will fit right in. That will be it. I hope this will be helpful. It's very easy to change it back, so I will not show you this. Good luck. Thanks for watching.